What is going on, guys? When I built my PC, I had trouble looking for a monitor since there were so many options. I wanted something that was decent enough to game on and to be used for productivity, but still didn't cost too much. And I think I found the one. This is the Thinkvision T2224d 21. This is the Thinkvision T22 21.5-inch monitor, and I've used it for over half a year now, so here are my thoughts. Starting off with the price, I bought it for $108 with shipping using eBay Plus. I needed something that wouldn't take a chunk out of my overall PC budget, which is why 144Hz monitors was straight out of contention. However, I needed it to be at least 21.5 inches and have an IPS display. Many monitors which had both of these were quite expensive, and I was worried I would have to look for something smaller. But then I found this. In that moment, it was a godsend. It fit my main requirements and was right in the budget spot. Could this be exactly what I needed, or was it too good to be true? Luckily for me, it was the former. Let's take a look at the hardware. The T2224d comes with a stand, mounting base, and a small hook to cable manage. Setup is extremely simple, and there is no screwing required. I like the colored hook as it gives it a bit of flair instead of being all black. The display has a 16:9 aspect ratio, 1080p max resolution, and 60Hz refresh rate. The display allows for wide viewing angles without any reflective glare, which is the main reason many people want an IPS display. There are buttons on the front for changing different monitor options, most of which are present in all other monitors. These buttons are all located on the front, making them accessible. However, they are hard to push and always shake the entire monitor. I find this extremely annoying and feel like it's going to hit something else. I mostly only use it for changing the brightness and changing the input. Speaking of display input, this Thinkvision monitor has only two ports. One is DisplayPort and the other is VGA. I would like it to have at least one more DisplayPort in addition to the current options. I also wish there were USB Type A and C ports on the monitor for easier access. However, these are what you lose out on when you're buying a cheaper monitor. It also lacks built-in speakers, but this shouldn't affect most users. Keeping in mind that this is a budget monitor, I certainly wouldn't recommend this for anyone who wants to do professional level media work. I would certainly say consider the T2224d since you can play at 60Hz at 1080p if your computer can handle it. Anyone looking for a monitor on a budget should check this out, but remember, by saving money you also lose some features. Thanks for watching this review, and if you found it useful, please support the channel by liking and subscribing for more content like this. Comment down below what monitor you use, and whatever you do, don't forget to keep it real.